Midwest Picker on YouTube. Yeah, baby.
All right, Midwest Picker, going sourcing. Haven't done this in months. But for you car enthusiasts, I no longer have the Ford Fusion. I got a 2017 Ford Edge Titanium. Not that you care, but I'm going to go sourcing today. I'm going to hit a Restore, a Goodwill, a Salvation Army, another Goodwill, another Salvation Army, a mom and pop, I believe 6 locations, hit Qdoba, come home, and we'll see what we find. I'll show you some video from inside the store if I can. It's not easy because you got to be stealthy. What? No, we're not going to Delaware. Why would we go to Delaware? No. Just because Harry Humstone lives in Delaware? No, you can't just roll up on people uninvited. That's creepy. Yeah. This is not Mrs. Midwest. This is Joey. He's going with me. He's not going inside. He's always begging me to put him in the grocery cart at Goodwill and bring him inside. I ain't doing that. They'll accuse me of stealing them. You notice he's got the brooch here from Vagabond Vents. If you don't know her channel, check it out. She's got Whatnot, YouTube, lots of social media, lots of brooches. Beautiful. I bought that a while ago. Joey claimed it, so it's his. So no, Joey, we're not going to Delaware. You don't just do that. You're not a human. You don't understand. You don't just do that. But enough jibber jabber. Let's go to the first place, and hopefully I get some video. We'll see.
Waiting for the knot to...
All right, just left Goodwill. It's a very small Goodwill, but it sucked. There was nothing there. Restore did pretty good. I got some Smith & Wesson earplugs in cases. They were 50 cents a pack, so I got 6 of those. And some duct tape for myself. Now we're at a Salvation Army that used to be a Best Buy store, so this is a massive Salvation Army, but it's a ghost town. They don't have anything in there. I haven't been here in about 8 months. So Joey's gonna guard the car. Well, that was kind of a bust. Not really, kind of. We went to 6 locations. Joey guarded the car. A bunch of rowdy teenagers tried to break in, and he scared them off. So I'm getting myself some lunch at the Qdoba. Joey gets nothing because he doesn't need to eat, but I should reward him for scaring those teenagers away. I'll think of something. I got a few items. One, maybe a home run. The others are just meh, not a big deal, but I'm gonna grab my lunch, get back to the homestead, and show you what I got. All right, we're back at the homestead. That was a pretty good day. I mean, I went to 6 places, didn't get much, but I did learn something extremely valuable, which I'm going to share with you guys. So this is a Godzilla rubber hand puppet thing right here. Got him for $5, $4.99. And it's a really good seller too, depending on the condition. Now this one does have a little hole in it, but these things sell for $50, $60, $70. Probably going to list it for $69.95. I don't know. They're kind of rare, but the BOLO of the week. If you can find this guy, 1998, I think. Put the information up there. It's a rubber Godzilla puppet thing. If you find the entire Godzilla, like the whole body, the legs, the tail, those things are very rare. They sell for $300. Can you believe that? That's nuts. Then I got these Smith & Wesson earplugs. Not real expensive, 50 cents. I bought 6 of them. I'm going to list them for $12.99. I couldn't find any comps online. And next is this Bob's Furniture Cleaning Kit. They go anywhere from 10 to 15 to 19 bucks. That's still sealed. I've sold them before. They sell pretty good. So that's the video, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you like that BOLO. If you're at garage sales, flea markets, estate sales, anywhere, always look at the toys. There's some crazy valuable toys out there that nobody knows about. If you can find this rubber Godzilla hand puppet thing, even the small one like I got here, that's 50 bucks right there. But if you can find the full Godzilla, $300. I had no idea. So that's the video, guys. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. I'm going live every Sunday. Going live this Sunday at 8 p.m. Love to see you there, but that's it. Until next time, see ya.
Midwest Picker on YouTube. Yeah, baby.